Welcome to today's market recap for Wednesday, August 28th. It's Nvidia earnings. We are all worried, concerned, obsessed with Nvidia earnings. But right now, let's look at econ events for tomorrow. We have the jobless claims and we have GDP. Big data tomorrow. And this is who I am. I'm Chargal Lori. I have been a trader for the past 8.5 years and technical analyst. I'm part of the Chart Guys community and we teach technical analysis. So we had a pretty red day. I would call it a balanced day going into Nvidia earnings as folks were trying to sort out their lives. Nvidia earnings are coming out right now. They beat, but we're waiting on guidance. It's always important to have the guidance. The past EPS, the past revenue, that's wonderful, but what are you going to do for us in the future? And it's a little bit red right now, waiting on that guidance. All right. Looking at ES, we have a potential 2-day bull flag. So potential 2-day bull flag, still holding up just fine. NASDAQ, we had a pretty red day, very red day actually, let's be honest, and we still have a potential 2-day bull flag. Now, if I were going to draw out a bull flag, would I want these upper wicks? No. So we do have upper wicks of profit taking. We're holding the daily 2-day EMAs right now, looking for that 2-day high or low. RTY had a little bit of better day than it did yesterday. We were looking for the daily high or low now at the 12 EMA. We're below the hourly EMAs and the 4-hour EMAs. So even though RTY didn't take it on the chin as badly as everyone else did, it's still looking, it doesn't look that great on shorter term time frames. Dow Dow looks the best of our Fab 4. Potential daily bull flag. 40684 is your support. The Dow has made enough room for an hourly high or low. Again, the Dow has held up better than most. VIX, we're looking for a 4-hour high or low. I drew this earlier. We're looking for a 4-hour high or low due to the size of this bounce. Plenty of room for it, so that's not good for the market overall. Bitcoin is still red. And the 12-hour is a potential bear flag. And we broke bear from this bear flag. Formation 58025. Yeah, we broke bear by $175. So Bitcoin just cannot get it together. And the question is this our canary? It could be our canary. Bitcoin cannot get it together. 12-hour bear flag confirmed. Ethereum, potential 12-hour bear flag, not confirmed yet. However, we did lose daily support on Ethereum. On the next bounce, we are looking for 4-hour and daily lower highs on Ethereum. Dollar bounced today after getting the monthly double bottom by 10 cents. It broke it by 10 cents actually, but bulls bought it as if it were a double bottom, so that's what we'll call it. Potential hourly bull flag, plenty of room for a 4-hour high or low. And gold has suffered because of the dollar bounce. So gold on a bounce, we're looking for a 4-hour lower high. And this could be a broadening formation. Oil, we had inventory today. It didn't help oil very much. We have potential 4-hour bull flag. So the process was we were looking for a daily lower high, and then now we're looking for a daily higher low. But bulls have not shown an appetite to put that in yet. Semis controlled the day with Nvidia earnings, and Nvidia is pretty volatile right now, a little more red than green. They beat on earnings, but again, it's all about the guidance, all about the guidance. So semis were down pretty big today. We broke the low of the prior day. And Nvidia earnings. What are some key levels? Let me give you some key levels. 120.66 is the daily 50 MA. I would say that's the most important level that we have nearby that we need to hold. SMCI, they had got hit yesterday by Hindenburg, and then today they announced that they would delay some financial reporting, which is not good typically. So we have the weekly bear flag confirmed on SMCI. We have a 4-hour potential bear flag right now. This thing is volatile. Please be careful. Apple closed red, but Apple held up better than most. We still have a good 4-hour squeeze, and it could be a 2-day bull flag. Tesla had a very bad day. We're holding the daily 200 MA right there, that purple line. In my opinion, that will be super important if we're going to say, okay, this could be maybe an inverse head and shoulders. We need to hold that daily 200 MA. So we'll see if it can hold it tomorrow. 203.21. It'll update tomorrow after open. XLF, a new all-time high. And it really looks like a blow off top. I would be looking for an hourly lower high tomorrow compared to today's high. After today's big push, I would say it looks very toppy. XLV, new all-time high today. Similar, not exactly the same, but similar to XLF, with a big push with a little upper wick of profit taking. And then we had crowd earnings. How are they doing right now? They're pushing up. Upper wicks of profit taking on crowd. CRM, they're pushing up nicely. And AFRM was squeezing. Yeah, AFRM is squeezing. I would be looking for an AFRM back burner. If this move continues, I would definitely be looking for an AFRM back burner tomorrow. We are over key resistances. 39.25 is your next resistance. All right, that is it for the market. Let me look at MSOS. I know y'all want to look at MSOS, and here's the most positive news that I can show you. We have some bullish divergence on RSI. Would I just automatically buy that? No. But we do have some RSI bullish divergence where we have a higher low on RSI and a lower low on price. It had a pretty red day after yesterday's big dump. So we'll see if it can get over the EMAs. All right, that is it for the market recap.